So I'm here at the Charleston port getting loaded up to go to South Dakota. But the reason I'm going there is because I purchased a 379 sleeper for my truck and the new doors without a triangle window on the front. This particular sleeper and the doors are coming out from 386, but they all fit 300 series truck. So the doors and the sleeper I'm getting from there. That's what I'm loading to go there. It's a baby 906, and I usually haul 938, which are way bigger machines. Taking this to South Dakota and then going back to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and picking up my sleeper and going back home and start working on my truck, starting taking off all the stuff from it, and I guess go from there. Got it all loaded and strapped down. So the DOT do want a strap on your booms or buckets that I don't know why, even though it's attached here. But if this thing swings and stuff, they still want a strap on the front. I just put something small just to keep me out of trouble, and that's how I do my I use just those snatch binders. A lot of people don't like them, but I use them, and I use, instead of the bungee cords over here, I just use these binder locks, and that's how I do it here. And all this is one chain. You just put it through there, loop it, pull one hook over here, and then do another one over here. If I'll have a minute sometimes later down the road, I'll show you. But all this is one chain with two binders. And same thing on the other side. And this is it. Ready to go. We'll see, I might get a partial still over there and over here, but they paid me pretty good for this, and I'm ready to go the way it is. But maybe I'll get lucky and get something else. I'll keep you updated. This is Charleston Port. They got all kind of equipment coming from overseas. So they got me another car to go on that trailer behind there from Copart in Colombia, and then they got me one more car from Greer. So I'm waiting on the forklift driver to come over here and put this truck over here. It should fit right in. Put it right there, and then we'll go home and pick up another car that goes on front, and I'll be ready to go. We'll see if I'll be leaving today or tomorrow morning. But I gotta be there Thursday to drop this machine right here. So let's get my straps out, and we'll be ready for that truck. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straps. Now we sit and wait. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long. finally brought it. No spare tire. Got it tied off on the wheels. $19.97. Run and drive has a scrape here with the rust. Some damage here. Overall, not too bad. It's like 95, 94 degrees out here in Colombia. Got that thing loaded up, strapped up. Took about 1 hour to bring it out. I'm really busy up here, man. I don't like go-parts. Sometimes it takes forever. I know some people have been waiting here for like 4 hours, so I guess 1 hour is not too bad. But let's hit the road and go pick up the other car. So I'm here to pick this thing up. This is going to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Let me run a quick inspection on it and get it loaded on the trailer and be on the way. So I finally got that thing loaded on the top deck. I had to deattach, if you see it over here. And how this thing works is you deattach the truck and then you hook up the ramps to the front of the trailer. I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Right here, I got these things made. You bolted on here, and that's where the ramps will hook up with the pin. Going through here like this, so it won't come out, and it will drive up the car on there just like that. This whole trailer is loaded, as you can see. Whew. So I'm like 10 minutes from home. I'll stop by a house for a couple hours, take a shower, and then I'm gonna hit the road because I'm exhausted. It's like been in 90s all day, and loading, unloading all that junk is wore you out. Let's go. So I made the delivery of the white pickup truck. I could not really record the video because it was right on the middle of the road. So the truck is delivered, but now I'm picking up while I'm still going for my parts. I'm already making pickups. I'm picking up this Polaris 4-wheeler. Let me drive it up there to the trailer, get it loaded, strap down, and we'll go. A lot of corn, a lot of fields. I love this. That is my truck right there. I couldn't really pull into the street. It's kind of tiny and has a big bump at the end, so we'll get it loaded right there on the road. Okay, I got it strapped up, and look at that ditch. It's going, it's pretty steep here. I couldn't get off much more farther, so yeah, but it's nice here out in the country. People living their life here, man. South Dakota. It's probably a cold winter time though. What? Let's get out of here. I got this car unloaded right here from upper deck. I had to go through the same process. So I had to deattach Detach the truck, pull it forward, and set up the full set of ramps on the front, drive it off. So let's go check it in and keep going. So what's next? Next I need to go deliver wheel loader, get that off, and as soon as I get this off tomorrow morning in Rapid City, I'm going right back to Sioux Falls where I'm at now to pick up a sleeper for my 379, and I'm thinking to put a sleeper right here on the front, and maybe that four-wheeler put it right over here going that way. That way I still have the whole bottom deck empty, because he already picked up a Ford Transit for me to pick up on Friday. I mean, he booked it. I need to pick it up on Friday. So a Transit, another car, or maybe a small partial, or another ATV or something like that would be nice. Let's hit the road. I have loaded the wheel loader. I could not record it because it was they were in a hurry to get it off, and I didn't want to look stupid with this camera running around. But I am back in Sioux Falls on the truck junkyard, and I'm picking up this thing right here. That's gonna go for $379. I'm picking up the sleeper and 2 doors and some cab inside panels. So he's coming with us. Let's get it on here, get it loaded, and go get another pickup, because I got one more van to pick up over here. Let's get to work. Really good condition. There's some more stuff, some more panels. All that good stuff. I'm gonna put all this stuff inside the cab over here, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that hole. I have to do something about it, but I think we'll get it done. Alright, let's get this thing loaded in there. So I stopped by this local Lowe's behind me to buy me some of this stuff over here. Some plywood, some 2x4s right here. Got some tools. Well, I had the tools. That's my tools from the house. So I got some tools. I need to plug this hole up to keep away from weather and all that stuff. So let's get these straps off. This one, this one, and this one. And start measuring and blocking this hole out. So that's how I'm doing it. There's this slotted hole in here. And I'm cutting this thing in an angle or in a bevel. Both sides, really tight, knocking it in with a hammer. I'm gonna do one more across here, then I will do up and down on both sides, and go ahead and cut this to the right side. Okay, so that's how I did it. I got these braces on the corners too, because otherwise we'll be flopping around in that corner too much. And over here, got a little bit of gaps, but I have this heavy duty tape. I might put this tape over here and it'll be good enough. I think it turned out perfect. Let me get this top piece cut out, put it in there, screw it in, and get this thing strapped up again, and we'll be on our way. So I finally got it done. Maybe there's a better way to do it, but I think it turned out awesome. It's covered in pretty good. Got the tape around it. It should hold 1,000 miles. As much as I care. If it holds 1,000 miles, that's good enough. That's it. Let's clean this up before they start saying about, because they already came out there and they were giving me this evil looks because I was making all this sound and stuff like that, making noise over here. They're trying to think who is that in their yard working their own stuff. So I'm glad they didn't kick me out. I got it finished, so let's clean it up and get out of here. Nice and clean, and I'm ready to go. There it is. I think it looks beautiful. Just in time, it's starting to rain. All done and ready to go. Took me 2 hours and 30 minutes. Oh well. Let's get going. Good morning, guys. So I'm picking up this van to go back there. Still gonna have some room for something else, but I don't know if I'm gonna wait up and get anything else, so need to inspect this thing, make sure no damages. Back home, didn't have time to record much driving, but it is home, so let's get it unstrapped and unload it with this big boy over here. Where's he? Right here. Take it off, and then we'll see what we're gonna do next. But it's time to work on this thing. Alright, that's where it's gonna rest for a while. today's video. We didn't do as much as I wanted to do in this video, but we got the rear toolbox off. We got the other toolbox off on the other side. We took off the stacks, and the next thing is to do is I unhooked everything pretty much from the bottom of the sleeper. So next thing gonna be is taking off the sleeper, and then we'll go from there, see what else needs to be done. But that'll be it for this video. Please guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget, don't be shy to comment, good, bad. And also, I'm kind of going ahead and what color you think I should paint this truck. Just throw it down in the comments below. Red, white, blue, red frame, white frame, just whatever. Give me some ideas of what needs to be done to it. I kind of have an idea, but I want the people to tell me what will look good for it, because this is my first project and I don't want to mess up on the color. So see you guys next time.